To make a delicious homemade apple pie, follow the simple recipe: ingredients: to pie crusts, homemade or store-bought. 6 medium-sized apples, Granny Smith or Honeycrisp for tartness. 3/4 cup sugar. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 2 tablespoons butter, cut into small pieces. Instructions: prepare a crust. If making homemade pie crust, prepare it and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Roll out the bottom crust and place it in a 9-inch pie dish. Prepare the filling. Peel, core, and slice the apples into thin wedges. In a large mixing bowl, combine the sugar, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Toss the apple slices in this mixture until well coated. Add the lemon juice to prevent browning. Assemble the pie. Pour the apple filling into the prepared pie crust. Dot with butter. Roll out the second crust and place it on top, crimping the edges to seal. Cut small slits in the top crust to vent steam. Bake. Preheat the oven to 4 to 5 F220C. Bake the pie for 45 to 50 minutes until the crust is golden brown. Let the pie cool for 1 to 2 hours before serving. Enjoy!